We are at 7-Eleven. I will teach you how to print an ID or passport ID using the 7-Eleven multi-copy. At first, you should install 7-Eleven multi-copy application. And then we are here at the printing machine. Press English, then print, auto print, then you just press agree, select Wi-Fi connection using your Android device, and then okay, turning on the Wi-Fi. Go to your setting, Wi-Fi, 7-Eleven multi-copy, connect, then go to your multi-copy, apps, then get started, print photo, add photo, select from your gallery, camera, select the photo you want to print, then send. Start sending, and then just wait. Receiving files. Okay, and then press OK. Then you choose which photo you want to print for the ID photo, and then okay, agree, and then the sizes you choose for the ID passport, and then save. Then you can choose, turn left, adjust the size, then make it larger, down, okay, and then save. If it's okay, you saved, please save, and then you put 220 yen, L size, 250 yen here, and then press start, and then that's it.